Hey everyone, welcome to Intellify. Here we are going to discuss NCERT solution for class 10's mathematics exercise 8.4 topic Introduction to Trigonometry. Now in this video we have to discuss question number 2, and question number 2 is asking us to write the other trigonometric ratios of angle A, all other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. So except sec A, we need to write all the other ratios in terms of it. So we have 6 trigonometric ratios, but we have to exclude sec A because we are converting it into it. So this leaves us with 5 trigonometric ratios. So the first trigonometric ratio is sin A. Now sin A is equals to sin square A because sin square A is equals to sin A whole square, and under rooting both the sides, sin A would come out to be under root of sin A whole square. So this becomes this. Now we don't have a direct formula or direct relationship of sine and sec, but through cos we can find that out. So sine in terms of cos is 1 minus cos square A. Why? Because sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. We have a formula for it. So when sine is in this side and the cos moves the other side, this becomes 1 minus cos square A. Now this cos A is equals to 1 upon sec A. This becomes 1 upon sec A is whole square. 1 square is 1 and sec A whole square is sec square A. Now this is a fraction and this is not. So we need to take the LCM, and this sec square A gets multiplied both in the denominator and the numerator. Now in the numerator this becomes sec square A minus 1 when we combine the fractions, and in the denominator it is sec square A. Now I know this becomes a formula for tan A, but we don't need to convert it in tan A's terms because we only want our answer in terms of sec A. So under root of sec square A minus 1, and in the denominator sec A, because under root sec square A and the under root, the square and the under root gets cancelled, and this leaves us with sec A only. So this is your answer for sin A in terms of sec A. Now your second trigonometric ratio, which is cos A. Now cos and sec have a direct relationship, we know that. Under root cos A is equals to under root of cos square A, right? And under root, this becomes under root 1 upon sec square A because cos has a reciprocal relationship with sec A. So sec A is the reciprocal of cos. So this becomes 1 upon sec square A. Cos square A becomes this. This is square, 1 square is 1, that's why 1 only here. Now 1 under root is also 1, so this becomes 1. And under root of sec square A, square and under root gets cancelled, this leaves us with sec A. So cos A is equals to sec A. वैसे तो we do need this because cos and sec has a direct relationship, but to prove it you can do this also. Okay, now your third trigonometric ratio, which is tan A. Tan and sec has a direct relationship through this formula, that is sec square A minus tan A is equals to 1, and when 10 moves that side. So we will be using that. For that we need to find first tan A's value. Tan A's value is under root of tan square A because we have a relationship with tan square, not tan A. Now this tan square A can be substituted for sec square A minus 1, right? So sec square A minus 1. And under root cannot be separated on the other things, so this is your final answer for tan A. Now your fourth ratio, which is cosec A. Cosec A has a relationship with cot A, and through cot A we can find a relationship with tan A. Or cosec A has a relationship with sin A. With sin A we have a relationship with cos A, and cos A has finally a relationship with sec A. So we have two methods, but they both are lengthy, so there is not a shortcut for this. You have to go for the lengthy method only. Now sec A is equals to sec square A like other the ratios, right? And sec square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A by this property. Sec square A minus cot square A is equals to 1, right? So sec square A is 1 plus cot square A. Now cot square A is equals to 1 upon tan square A, because tan A is reciprocal of cot A. So tan A is equals to 1 upon cot A, and tan square is this whole square. So 1 square is 1 and cot A square is cot square A. Sorry, tan square A. Now this is tan square. This is normal number. This is a fraction. Take the LCM. Tan square A moves with here only. Here also, right? And this becomes tan square in the denominator and tan square A plus 1. Now, for tan square A, substitute the value of sec A, because we have a formula for sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, where we have a relationship of sec theta and tan theta. Write it here. Sec square A minus 1 plus 1, right? Tan square A's value, this would 1 would get cancelled. So above we have under root of sec square A, which becomes sec A, and in below sec square A minus 1, which cannot be separated. So this is your answer for cosec A. Now for cot A, the same method which we used here till here. So cot A is equals to cot square A. Cot is reciprocal of tan, so this becomes 1 upon tan square A. We have tan square's relationship with sec, which is through this formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So tan square theta would be 1 minus sec square theta minus 1. So sec square A minus 1. 1 under root is 1, and this becomes sec square A minus 1 under root. So this is your answer for cot A in terms of sec A. So this completes your question. Bye bye and take care.